In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download iCloud on your computer or on your laptop. My name is Isaac, and if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, let's get into it. So if you want to get iCloud on your computer or PC, it is pretty much simple. Just head over to Microsoft Store, and you can easily find Microsoft Store down here. So if you come down here, you can see this icon. If you click on it, it will take you straight to Microsoft Store. From here, go ahead and create a free account before you can be able to download and install any app on this platform. Now here you can see we have quite a number of Microsoft apps that you can download, and we want to go ahead and search for iCloud. To do that, just search here iCloud. And you see we have our iCloud app available here. So to download it, just click on it, and you will see we have this option called Get. So if you click on Get, this will initiate the download process, and iCloud will be downloaded on your computer. So once the download is done, it will be installed, and you can straight away launch it from here, or you can even pin it to start. So if I go ahead and click on Open, your iCloud will be launched automatically on your Windows computer. Now, if you want a shortcut of iCloud on your computer, you can also go ahead and get it by clicking on Start menu here, and then you'll see iCloud here. So you can go ahead and pin it to Start menu, and it will be added here. And each and every time you just want to go ahead and directly launch iCloud, you can go ahead and click it on Start menu here. So that's how you can download and install iCloud on your computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.